Go get him. Walk over toward him. Yeah, come on. He ain't got no horns.
They won't hurt you.
They ain't gonna hurt you, Chase. Go toward him.
Hey.
He likes you, look.
Me, right? You got me? Okay. Okay. You got me. Look at this guy.
Alright, come back over here. Go get him. He's gonna butt you. What's that?
Hey, stop and see what he does.
Just go up to it.
Come up here. I want to see what he does.
Just come. He ain't gonna hurt you. He just butts you with his head. Come up this way. Come on. He don't have no horns. He can't do nothing. He's like, let's go at it. Just stand right there. He's snorting at you. Hey, baby.
Come here. Ew, it's big.
All right, Chase, go toward it. The more you back up, the
I'm innocent, okay? I'm innocent. I'm so innocent. No, don't touch me. Don't nibble me.